the Kraken.
Unleashed with over 1320 subscribers. 1320. That's a quarter mile right there. The prep started months ago. With a combination of dry ice and a heat gun, all of the sound deadener was able to be removed. A patch also needed to be repaired in the floor. Masking tape is being used to cover all the threaded studs and also packed into threaded holes, or anywhere I don't want the coating to be. Aluminum foil is another good option to use for this. The interior was scuffed and wiped down. It might look like that's some dust on the car, but that's some overspray from the epoxy primer. Now it's ready to be coated. Well, the kit will tell you everything to do, and the buckets do also. I had everything prepped a good while back. It recommends what temperature to spray at, what pressure to spray at. I believe I was doing about 60 pounds. You want to mix this stuff for about 2 minutes, and it'll pour like that. It's a pretty good kit. I've been having a kit. This is like the third car I do, so all I need to do is get a couple of pails. One for the ceramic insulation and the other for the sound control. If you're doing undercarriages or wheel wells, something under the car, hard to get spaces, they give you a 90 to change the tip from straight.
Round one.
Is the mix and stir? The first coat has been applied and now it is drying.
Round two.
The drip is forever.
Second coat of ceramic insulation is pretty dry.
Round one.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
What are you doing? We're 5 minutes into the video. Hit subscribe. Thought we were cool. This car is now coated with 2 coats of ceramic insulation and 2 coats of sound control. Go ahead and remove all the tape from the holes and threads. The interior can go in whenever I'm ready for it at this point.